for Sierra Club was very transformative, if you will, when we adopted some years ago what is called the HEMES Principles for Democratic Organizing as our methodology for organizing. There was often criticisms on how environmental organizations would parachute into a place whenever there was any issue and sort of take over the stage and call the shots. And communities, especially environmental justice organizations, resented that for many years, because, of course, an organization with the relative size or power within the movement as Sierra Club coming into a community and start calling the shots where these communities may have been working for a long time, there's not that spirit of mutuality or collaboration or partnership. So the HEMES Principles for Democratic Organizing, something that came up of a meeting by the Southwest Network for Environmental and Economic Justice in the 90s, it basically developed this. It's very simple principles of being inclusive, an emphasis on the bottom-up organizing and letting people speak for themselves, working together in solidarity and mutuality and true partnership. And in order to do that, you have to build just relationships. And then a commitment also on self-transformation, so as we change society, we're changing, transforming everything. And so this is very important because, again, communities resent when you come up and it's a top-bottom approach. And the labor movement have often done that as well in the past. So that's why it's important to have these methodologies as a guideline when you go into a community and establish those relationships, and also have them being long-lasting so that when these issues come up, you already have a presence and you already have a basis of respect. And so then you're also more credible. And then you have a true partnership. You're trusted. The fight against what is the common enemy, if you will, it's easier because from our side, there's already trust. And that's very important.